Do you know what the state animal of your state is? You might be surprised to learn that each Indian state has its own unique state animal, a symbol of the region's rich biodiversity and cultural heritage. Today we are embarking on a fascinating journey through the majestic landscapes of India, exploring each state's chosen animal emblem. Let's start with Andhra Pradesh. The black buck, known locally as Krishna Jinka, serves as the state animal. This elegant antelope symbolizes grace and agility, a fitting emblem for this vibrant state. Now venture into Arunachal Pradesh, where the mighty Mithun, a semi-domesticated gaur, reigns supreme. This animal holds significant cultural and economic value for the indigenous communities in the region. Assam, famous for its tea gardens, proudly claims the one-horned rhinoceros as its state animal. This prehistoric-looking creature is a testament to Assam's commitment to wildlife conservation. Next, we have Bihar, where the gaur, or Indian bison, is the chosen symbol. This beast, the largest species of wild cattle, embodies strength and resilience. In Chhattisgarh, the wild Asian buffalo represents the state's untamed wilderness and the importance of conservation. Moving on to Goa, the state animal is the gaur, also known as the Indian bison. This powerful creature symbolizes Goa's rich biodiversity. In Gujarat, the Asiatic lion holds the title. This majestic animal, once on the brink of extinction, now thrives in Gujarat's Gir forest, symbolizing the state's successful conservation efforts. Haryana's state animal, the black buck, embodies the region's grassland ecosystem and the need for preserving it. Himachal Pradesh's chosen emblem is the snow leopard, an elusive and endangered species symbolizing the state's commitment to protecting its high-altitude wildlife. In Jharkhand, the elephant, a symbol of wisdom and power, is the state animal. The state's dense forests provide a natural habitat for these gentle giants. Karnataka also claims the elephant as its state animal, a nod to the state's abundant wildlife and lush forests. In Kerala, the elephant is revered for its significant role in the state's cultural and religious events. Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India, has selected the Barasingha, or swamp deer, as its state animal. This choice reflects the state's rich biodiversity and the importance of its wetland ecosystems. In Maharashtra, the giant squirrel, known for its vibrant, multicolored fur, serves as a reminder of the state's diverse wildlife. Manipur's state animal, the sangai, or brow-antlered deer, is an endangered species found only in this state, symbolizing the region's unique biodiversity. Meghalaya's clouded leopard, a mysterious and elusive creature, represents the state's lush forests and rich wildlife. Mizoram's state animal, the sirao, a goat antelope, symbolizes the state's unique mountainous terrain and diverse wildlife. Nagaland's Mithun, a semi-domesticated gaur, reflects the state's rich cultural heritage and the importance of livestock in the local economy. Odisha's state animal, the sambar deer, represents the state's rich biodiversity and the importance of its forest ecosystems. In Punjab, the black buck, a graceful antelope, symbolizes the state's grassland ecosystem and the need for its preservation. Rajasthan's state animal, the chinkara, or Indian gazelle, represents the state's arid desert ecosystem. Sikkim's state animal, the red panda, an endangered species, symbolizes the state's commitment to conservation. Tamil Nadu's state animal, the Nilgiri tahr, a mountain goat endemic to the Nilgiri Hills, represents the state's unique biodiversity. In Telangana, the spotted deer, or chital, symbolizes the state's rich wildlife and the importance of its forest ecosystems. Tripura's state animal, the Fair's langur, an endangered primate, represents the state's commitment to wildlife conservation. Uttar Pradesh's state animal, the swamp deer, or barasingha, symbolizes the state's rich biodiversity and the importance of its wetland ecosystems. Uttarakhand's state animal, the alpine musk deer, represents the state's high-altitude ecosystems and the importance of conservation. West Bengal's state animal, the fishing cat, a skilled swimmer and fisher, symbolizes the state's diverse ecosystems and rich wildlife. In conclusion, each Indian state's animal symbol serves as a reminder of the country's rich biodiversity, unique ecosystems, and the importance of conservation. These animals represent the cultural heritage, natural beauty, and wildlife of their respective states. They remind us of the need to protect and preserve our environment and its diverse inhabitants. So the next time you hear about a state animal, remember, it's more than just an animal. It's a symbol of the state's identity, its people, and its commitment to conservation.